Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you add coupons or gift cards on your for James on your Android. We will go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Android. So all you have to do, just click here on settings here, then it's going to take you to next step. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on themes here, then it's going to take you to next step here, and all you have to do now, so you just click here on menu here, then it's going to take you here in this window. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on coupons and gift cards here, then it's going to take you to next step, and all you have to do now, so you just go up, you click here on this sign here in up, then it's going to show for your list like this. So in here can you add coupons or gift card here. So when you add it, you click here on add, and it's going to show for you for themes on your Android. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.